Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a few project shares to share with you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen floating around Instagram, everyone creating these super cute backpacks made with Cricut cut files, silhouette cut files. I, of course, jumped on the bandwagon. I was super inspired when I saw Adriana and Shara exchanging on Instagram, so it just made me want to create it, and me receiving my Cricut for Christmas just was another reason to want to start working on a bunch of files and stuff like that. So I did create, before I created these two, I had created this one, which I shared on my Instagram. I'm not sure if I showed it on my channel, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This was my very first one. It's a totally different cut file than the other ones that I'm going to show you. I'll have them both linked down below. But you guys, these are so fun to make. And this is what it looks like in the back. And you can fill these up with goodies and share with a pen pal. But I have a little Velcro here. I think they're like super interactive, and you can just like fill that up. I made a little pocket in the inside. There's another little pocket in here. You can like put gift cards in there. Super cute, you guys. And then I have the little eyelet right there, if you guys can see that. And this is what the top looks like. I'm not sure what paper this is. I think this was just some loose paper that I have. These are some pockets as well. You can put stuff in there. Cute little bows. You guys, these are so fun to make. So this was the very first one that I tried out. But then I saw that they had different styles of backpacks. So of course, I wanted to make some more, which is how these two came in the picture. This is a smaller one, and then I made this one. I actually want to make this style a little bit bigger just to test it out. But this is the first one, you guys. How cute. I put some twine right here. This one also has Velcro. And then you can like stuff it inside with some goodies. This opens up as well. You can put some stickers in there. This is using the Practically Perfect collection from the Fairy Tale Club. I'll have them linked down below as well. This is what the back looks like. I did twine for this one. You guys, these are so fun to make and super easy to put together. Look at that. I put this cute little bow. I used some cute little Michael's like little gems. And I absolutely love it. And then I wanted to create one a little bit bigger in size. And I kind of did more detail on this one because I did some sewing. And this one has like a little black ribbon. This is the back. And then this one opens as well. It just has like the ribbon in the back, in the inside, because I didn't cut it. But that's what the inside looks like. I used some brads. This is using the My Mind's Eye. I think something glam. What is it? Glam? I always get that name wrong. But you guys know what glam collection I'm talking about. This was just a random piece of paper that I found in my stash. And then, of course, this one opens as well. But you guys, these are so fun to make and super easy. So definitely check out the cut file if you're into, you know, doing stuff with the Cricut or the silhouette or the cameo. And I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. Look at that. And they're super fun to gift and stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff that I want to try out still, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So definitely stay tuned for that. I've been trying to do more of this. Sorry you guys, I got cut off because my daughter FaceTimed me. But yes, like I was saying, I just have been trying to play around more with the Cricut and work with SVG files, because I really never did that, and I'm just trying to broaden my horizons. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my cute little backpacks. I plan to make some more. Stay tuned for my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.